Pine Acres RV here coming to you with a fresh trade-in. It is a 2018 Jayco J-Flight SLX. The model number is 212QBW. This is a nice and light couples unit, just under 4,300 pounds, dual axles, power awning, no slide. That's what makes it nice and light, folks. We got an outside shower. We got a 30 amp power connection. Your city water connections are right here. Here is the storage up front. We got two 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. If you are looking for a diesel pusher, we got lots of them. All right, let's take a look at the model number. It does have the thermal package. Let's go in. Walking into the Jayco J-Flight. Shut that door. All right, first things first, bedroom up front. See, the previous owners already put in a TV, added some shelves. Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is. It might not be there when you come take a look at it. We'll probably get rid of that too. Folks, we have not had a chance to clean this yet or do a proper inspection. We will certainly do that. However, my initial inspection will tell you that this unit is nice and clean. Seems to be very solid, very well kept. There's a stereo. That might be gone by the time you come take a look at it. I'm not sure what that is. Let's take a look at the fridge. This is a Norcold fridge. It works on propane and electricity. I'm told that the previous owner enjoyed doing dry camping. So hence the reason there's two batteries up front. Oh yeah. Little kitty. All right, now I need to explain something to you. Previous owner installed the cassette toilet. There's the brand new toilet. We're going to install that brand new toilet and get rid of this cassette toilet. Folks, it's nice. It'll be even nicer by the time you come see it over on 80 Commerce Street, and you're going to very much enjoy the price. We're going to be well under $30,000 for this one. All right, folks, see you soon. Pine Acres RV in Moncton. More diesel pushers. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.